All right, so here's my GPT menu. Like you were saying, this is only available through premium. What I'll do over here, I have a ton of these things at this point. Anyway, gonna go up here, create GPT. I need help with a homework assignment. Here is the details. Okay, so let's go over here. Copy that over into there. Watch how easy this stupid thing is. Updating GPT. That'll make us some stupid image. Ooh, something went wrong. That's actually pretty rare. Who knows? Maybe it's under load. Alright, updating. That's going to ask us to make a stupid image. GPT behavior updated. Great, I'll assist you in creating a focus study, case study for your homework assignment. Perfect. Also guide you. Yeah, that's too much. Wrong direction. We are simply going to be doing research on a company. From there, you will assist me in creating a markdown format to export this all to a README file in GitHub. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go over here, prime this bad boy. Okay, yeah, you know what? Let's give it this case study template. Okay, understood. Let's focus on researching. Markdown, perfect. Here is a template for the expected output of the assignment. God, I cannot type today. This is long enough. I want it to recognize that is a different chunk. We will be doing our research based upon these sections here. Okay. Now that's going to update briefly. Still updating. I'm surprised it hasn't made us pick a stupid name yet. Alright, let's see where this gets to now. Great, we'll have a clear template to work with. This template will guide us through the key areas. Overview origin. Let's get started choosing. Okay, so again, that little PDF I sent you was literally just a printout of this entire page. I'm now going to upload that entire thing. Uploading document to your knowledge base. This document details the entire process required to complete this assignment. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and upload that. My desktop's a mess. So like I was saying, here's that PDF I just sent to you. Open that. Let that upload. Still surprised it hasn't. Usually the next thing it does after your initial entry is have you pick a name, then it'll do an image. I'm shocked it hasn't yet. I'm just going to tell it to pick something stupid next. Okay. Before starting. Okay. We have already created the repository. Did I spell that right? All the GPT doing is completing the research and formatting the output to be combined into one cohesive document to be uploaded into the README file. That's a little longer than I'd like it to be, but frankly, that works as a statement. Okay, let's add one more section. Once complete, the user will ask the GPT to weigh the generated output against the grading requirements. I spelled that wrong. Great. Man, sure feels like a Friday. Let's see what we got here. Now, create a stupid name and image for the GPT. Perfect. Here, okay. Once we have draft ready, I'll help you review it against grading requirements. Great. Now let's see what kind of stupid stuff it comes up with. And then let's just do OpenAI. Next, I'll show you. Over here is where we'll actually test all this. You can see it's kind of prompting us. Oh, that's pretty stupid. Okay, great. Over here, you can see that it's getting to it. You can these primer questions. Let's research this AI company. Can you check the section meets the grading criteria? Sillybot Researcher. Okay, I want silly, not stupid. The company I will be choosing is OpenAI. Okay, here it goes. Great choice. Yeah, this is ridiculously easy. Honestly, it's too easy. Again, I recognize that my brain works in the way of large language models. But you know, it's pretty straightforward. So now what we'll say is we kind of have to prime it. If you tell it to research, a lot of times it will tell you it's unable to research. What it is able to do, though, is browse with Bing. So from here, browse with Bing to complete section 1. It's going to start browsing. Probably go to Wikipedia right away. Actually, okay. That surprised me. Ooh, found everything. Founders. Sam Altman. Hey, buddy. Now, here's one thing that'll get a little screwy. We won't want it to initially include these citations. Output this all to a code box to be easily copied and pasted. Use the markdown syntax. Oh, forego any citations. Okay. And then again, what we do over here is just copy and paste it. We could then tell it to proceed to browse with Bing to complete this, let's say, section 2. I've recognized it likes numbers a lot more than to spell out TWO. That's one thing we could do there. Another thing we could do is ask it to expand on it. I liked the length, frankly, looking at this here. This will look goofy here, but just know it's all off to the side. But since we judge this output against the grading scale, it's going to be incomplete as... Okay, perfect. Perfect. I mean, they make this so easy. You just need to know what to ask. Oh, wow. It's, so for here, 5 points, not yet specifically quoted. It's telling us where we're missing stuff. It's telling us what we have so far. Considering work completed thus far, what would our anticipated... Oop. Okay. See what we got here. Okay. Again, we could train this better. It's saying not applicable, but what it really means is you get no points for this. So that's BS. 49 out of 80, very generous. Now list addendum? Yeah. Now create an addendum for the sources used. Oh, that was spelled all wrong. Yeah, so here would be this. Let me know if you have any other questions. I don't know. I'd like to think I'm pretty good at this stuff. If we did more sections, it would probably be breaking it down by section, which of these were used. Contributed to the understanding of. Perfect. This tells us how it used the sections. Provide information to the founders, contributed to the understanding of OpenAI's mission, provide information about OpenAI's goals and nonprofit status. Okay, great, whatever. You get the point. Let me know if you have any other questions.